and this vlog is going to be getting back on track. Life Uncut is so funny if you've never listened to that podcast. I honestly think this could be better than normal caramel slice. Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. I haven't filmed in a couple of weeks, so forgive me while I get into the rhythm of vlogging again. But in December I did like a mini cut series where I vlogged every single week, and although I'm not really doing a mini cut anymore, I kind of just like fell in love with weekly vlogging, and personally they're my favorite vlogs to watch as well. So I'm gonna start doing little weekly vlogs. Please let me know down below if this is something that you like to see, because yeah, I just find it really fun and I can show you guys my workouts and what I'm eating and just kind of like take you along my life, which can be sometimes boring. But anywho, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. But today is Monday the 11th of January and this vlog is going to be getting back on track. So I'm back to work today, back to face-to-face personal training. I'm gonna go to the gym later today. I haven't been since like before Christmas, so this shall be interesting. I have a feeling I'm going to die. And I'm also gonna do a little meal prep as well today. So yeah, very exciting. I'm feeling so motivated and refreshed for this year. I know it's still a bit of a weird year with everything going on in the world, but I'm just feeling so much more motivated and just like ready to smash my goals. So I hope you guys are feeling as motivated as I am. Let me know in the comments below one goal you have for this year. I would love to read them. Alright, so I'm back from training clients now and I'm going to make my meal prep for the week. So I've got these chicken burgers I found at Woolies. I've never tried them before and I'm not really sure what they're going to taste like, but I will let you know my thoughts. And then I've got some zucchini that I'm going to roast up and also some pumpkin. Oh, shit. So I'm just out for a little daily walk now. I'm listening to a podcast. The one I'm actually listening to is the Rise and Conquer podcast by Georgie Stevenson. I absolutely love it and I listen to it pretty much every time I go for a walk, or Life Uncut. Life Uncut is so funny if you've never listened to that podcast. But yeah, just out on a little nature walk. Good morning guys, and happy Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday. I've just gone for a walk with a friend and it is now 11 o'clock. So we went for like about an hour and a half walk and I'm honestly dying. It's like 25 degrees. I'm working up a sweat. This angle is so bad. But yeah, I'm gonna drive home now. So many cars. I'm gonna drive home now, do some work, and then hopefully go to the gym tonight. I'm quite the little social butterfly today. I just got back from meeting another friend for a coffee and now I'm just gonna eat an afternoon snack. So I've got some YoPro vanilla yogurt with fresh berries. I don't know if this sounds like odd at all to say, but one of my New Year's resolutions was to actually make some more friends and to put in effort with my social life, I guess. I don't know if that's like sounds weird, but honestly I find it so hard as an adult to meet new people, especially because I work for myself, so it's not like I come across big groups of people at any stage. So I've just been making like a real effort with friends lately. So I've met up with 2 friends today and it's just the best. Like, I feel like it just makes me feel so much better actually getting to like talk to other people that are not just like my husband. But yeah, I don't know if that sounds weird at all, but that is my goal this year, to make some more friendships and that type of thing. So I've just finished up training my morning clients. It is now 10:45 a.m. and I also went for a morning walk around the block, which felt so good because it's so nice outside today. But there's a lady walking past and I'm so awkward. Alright, I think she's gone. So now I'm just heading to the shops. My friend Steph, or better being Steph if you've heard of her on Instagram, she recently came out with some like whole food blends, I guess you would call them, and I found a stockist near me, so I'm gonna go to the health food store, pick up the blends, and yeah, I'm so excited to try them because they sound amazing. So I'm back from the health food store now, and sadly they didn't actually have the product that I went in there for, which I'm so sad because I was really craving it. But anyway, I'm home now and I'm about to make a healthy caramel slice. It is actually in my recipe ebook if you guys have a copy of that. Otherwise I will type it all out below. It takes a little bit of time because there are like 3 different layers and you have to let them set and whatnot, but it is worth it. Like, honestly worth it, especially if you love caramel slice. I honestly think this could be better than normal caramel slice. Not to toot my own horn, but I love it that much. So what are you gonna need? You're gonna need some almond meal. We've got dates, which at the moment are just over here soaking in boiling hot water. You're gonna need some coconut oil, some almond butter. You could also use peanut butter, but I prefer almond butter in this type of stuff because it's not as flavorsome, if that makes sense. Like, peanut butter is so much stronger in flavor, so I would usually prefer almond butter in this type of stuff. I've got some dark chocolate, and what else do I need? Vanilla extract and maple syrup. So you can use pure maple syrup, rice malt syrup, or even the sugar-free alternative. But anyway, I'm gonna measure this all out now and do like a little time lapse of me making it. Oh, I'm so excited. Flashing that it's gonna die, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to film at the gym. But let me tell you, my motivation levels are literally like -12. Like Ian, you literally had to drive me. Well, you are driving, but you have to drag me out of bed. I started training clients, like I got up at 6 a.m. to train clients this morning, and I just finished up training clients and it is now 6 p.m. So it's just been a really long day and I'm just super tired, but gotta get that session in, gotta get those goals. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, it's been a few days since I last vlogged. I need to like prop you up on something. think the last clip I filmed was me going to the gym and telling you that my camera battery was about to die, and it died halfway through saying that. So I didn't film the workout, and I also didn't film anything yesterday because I forgot to charge my camera and I left it in Andy's car. So that's fun. But yesterday I didn't honestly do that much. I went to the 1,000 Steps with my friend, which is like a hiking trail in Melbourne. So I cannot walk today. My butt and my legs are so sore. But yeah, that's basically what I did yesterday. And then today I trained clients this morning, and then I filmed a Princess Polly haul, which should be up possibly before this video. I will link it up here if it is already up. Otherwise it'll be like the next video. But now I have my trusty little coffee and I'm just about to edit that haul. So not too much happening today. It is Friday, if I didn't already say that, and tonight we're going to go to our friend's house and we're going to have burgers and play board games and have a few cheeky beverages. So I'm excited for that. But yeah, I'm gonna do some editing now, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so it is now Saturday. Forgive the fact I look like a hot mess. I've literally been lounging all day. It is now 5 p.m. and we kind of like cleaned this morning, and then we just hit a roadblock and ended up watching a movie and taking a nap in the afternoon. So now it's 5 and we've got our motivation back, and we're going to clean the pantry behind us because it is a mess. We're going to head up to Kmart and hopefully get a few more Tupperware. Yay, we are officially done. It took probably an hour, maybe two, an hour and a half maybe, but some of it was already done. Like I'd already done this whole shelf, I think maybe like 6 months ago. I'm pretty sure I filmed that as well. So if I can find that vlog, I will link it down below. But I'll just give you a closer look of the shelves. So all of these jars are from Kmart. These are just like old coffee jars. These ones are also from Kmart. All of this is just like your general Tupperware. What's the brand?
Lock and Lock.
Did you help me do it?
No.
Nah, he was cleaning the laundry and fixing all of the handyman stuff while I did all of the girly kitchen stuff. But anyway, back to the little haul. So yeah, they're just like your general Tupperware. And then these long trays are from Kmart. But that's basically just like some muesli bars, fruit and nut, that kind of thing. We've got all of our spreads and like maple syrup. And at the back we have kidney beans, lentils, gravy, and that kind of thing. And then down here we have some proteins. We've got banana, vanilla and chocolate, and our greens powder. So this is all from Happy Way, our favorite. And then we've also got our cereals, which we usually just have like Wheat Bix or Nutri-Grain, but I also love Exo Crunch, and this one is the Maple Crunch. So yeah, that is basically it. So I'm gonna end this vlog here because I feel like there's gonna be so much footage, and I also need to clean all of the mess that I just made. It is now 10 p.m. So I need to clean this, have a shower, go to bed. But if you guys enjoyed this weekly vlog, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Please don't forget to hit subscribe down below if you are new to my channel, and I will see you in next week's weekly vlog. Bye!